Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down intent and assembling quick data sources. Define whether users want to buy, research, or compare, because intent drives keyword choice. Use Google Keyword Planner and one other tool to get volume, competition, and trend signals right away. Pull seed keywords from your site search, analytics, and competitor ads so you're not guessing. Once done, prioritize high-intent terms and low-competition long tails. This gives you actionable targets to test with small budgets and clear metrics. Next, you expand and ruthlessly filter the list. Generate 200 to 500 variants, long-tail phrases, modifiers like best or cheap, and question queries, because volume alone lies. Then filter by user intent, acceptable CPC range, and expected conversion likelihood so you focus on profitable opportunities. Validate these choices by checking historical search terms and your own campaigns for matching behavior. Make sure to build a negative keyword list simultaneously. Finally, you test and optimize in short cycles. Launch 2 to 3 focused ad groups with controlled budgets and clear KPIs so you can read performance quickly. Analyze CTR, conversion rate, and CPA, then iterate bids, match types, and ad copy based on what moves metrics. If an ad group underperforms, audit the landing page relevance and load time, because poor post-click experience kills conversions. Troubleshooting tip: if results stall, add negative keywords and resegment match types to isolate intent-driven traffic immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.